Hi, hello. I'm just going to do a little tutorial on bolsters, how to make your own bolster if you don't have one. Sometimes in your yoga practice you would need bolster which looks like this. It's different shapes, different sizes, but they are in general round things and you can rest your body on it. If you don't have one, you can make yourself one quite easily. So you need blanket and you need pillow and you need two straps, ideally two straps on, so you would secure it on both sides when you build one. Okay, you start by having your blanket nice and long. There you go. And then you get a pillow, kind of, if it's soft, depends the what's the word, depends on the firmness of the pillow. Your bolster needs to be firm so you can lie on it rather than just squash and then you end up just kind of dipping into it. So if your pillow is soft, you mm, kind of you fold it into two, and then you start from one end of your blanket and firmly roll it in. So it takes a little bit of fiddling. My bolster might not be the best because I'm focusing on doing it and talking it and all that, but you got the idea. So get a pillow firmly and then you start rolling it. Rolling till the end of your blanket. Ah, there you go. It's coming up nicely. Good. There you go. Oh, it's beautiful actually. Yeah, it worked. Mm, right, and you see it's nice and firm. And you secure it with a strap or belt or anything you got in a house. You can use, trousers belt, it's good. On one side, and then the same thing you do on the other side. You just secure it. And then if you have another extra towel to put over it so you even out. So for example, I would maybe put my mat so you would have like nice firm even surface, and it's ready to use it now. So in your practice you would have it, just test it if it's right firmness, if you can actually lay on it without being too squashed down. So you just check. So make sure that's really tight and done it very tight. And then you just, yeah, there you go. And that's your bolster. Good. So don't worry if you have one, create your own one. Get creative. You can use your duvet or, the cover or blanket or towels, anything that you can roll, secure it with two straps and then make it nice and firm. I hope that was helpful.